Hello. As a parent, I find it very challenging following up my children at school. Assignment, activities, attendance, all things that related in aspects, especially in the school. Recently, here in San Fatima, they have found a solution for that fits that issue. It's just a kind of learning system in the school called Winjigo. It's not a replacement of the paper at all. A circle of communication gateway among student, teacher, school principal, and the parent itself, which is me. Now, we are going through this application app called Parentkit mobile app. This application, it's a communication gateway between me as a parent and all the sectors in the school. I can know exactly step by step what my daughter or my son is doing in the school as well as with me as a life.
Let's have a quick look on how this application works, starting from how to install it, ending with how to use every single feature to follow up on my children's progress. As any other application, we have to download it from the App Store. It doesn't matter which operating system you're using, as a Parentkit application works on both iOS system and Android systems. So now, I'll download it on my phone as I have it with me all along. All I have to do is search on Winjigo and choose Winjigo Parentkit. And in seconds, it will be on my phone. Then, I'll start writing down my email and password in which the school provided me with. And here we go, landed on the default page which is called My Children. As you see here, I have one child, Sarah. In the primary stage, if you have any other children in the school, they will appear in this page as well. Let's say I want to check on Sarah's progress in numeracy. All I have to do is click on her name, then I'll be seeing all her subjects. I'll choose numeracy. This is how each subject page looks like. It will open on the first feature, which is the teacher's plan, in which the school made sure it will be a weekly one. So, I'll be able to know the upcoming lessons and the homework as well as my daughter to prepare them with her. The second feature is called activities, which is homework. It's divided into 3 categories according to the homework's due date. The first one is called upcoming activities, in which the homework's due date hasn't started yet. The second one is called open activities. From the name, I get that the due date started and Sarah can go on and start solving her homework. The last one is called activities progress. This shows the homeworks with end due dates and how my daughter performed in them. As you see, it shows the passing grade, final score, and either my daughter submitted homework late or on time. Also, it shows the homework types. If it's practice, so it means that if Sarah have done anything wrong, she can go on and start resolving the homework. If it's take once one, means that the homework can't be resolved again, unless the subject teacher permit it. The third feature is called badges, which is a kind of motivating feature, makes the student compete among each other on being the best, not just on the educational side, but also on the other skills. For an example, Sarah here had 3 types of badges: 2 hard worker, 2 critical thinking, and 3 of problem solver. Each of them reflects number of points on the subject's leaderboard. The fourth feature is called gradebook. It will show the students' grades in each subject. The fifth feature is a behavior that makes me aware how Sarah behaved in each session on the spot. The last feature is the attendance, which is going to be either daily or per session, according to the division rules. Here in San Fatima, the primary division takes it daily. The British and American divisions take it per session, which shows my child's presence in each session on spot. What if I want to contact the subject's teacher to ask her about something, instead of bothering coming all the way to the school and schedule an appointment with the teacher? The application provided me with a quick contact feature that's located in the upper right corner, allows me to communicate with the teacher either by email, Skype call, or chat. On mentioning communication, you will see a rocket-shaped icon called Spaces. The space here is a group where only each grade's parents and division's principal are members in. It's pretty much like a Facebook group. There is a wall where either I see posts from other parents or I post something to the principal. Also, it's where the principal posts announcements and we can comment on and say our opinion. So, it's a place where an open discussion can be held between the principal and the parents. On the same track, there is a place where the files are stored called resources, photos, and upcoming events to be prepared for. In the end, as any other application, there is a notification area where I'll be notified with every single impact on the previous features.
If I have any difficulties using this app, I have a whole technical team of Winjigo. I can send them either email or come to school if I want to do that. It's really changed my picture of difficulties of school to parents communication. Now I have a sense of relief towards my son's attitude and behavior.